This exercise is called single leg hip thrust. The muscle groups we will be working are calves, quads, hamstrings, hips, hip flexors, core, and upper back muscles. First thing we're going to do, we're going to lay down on the ground. Place both feet on the ground, and it's your option to pick either the left leg or the right leg to start. It does not matter. You're going to raise one of those legs up, and you're going to make sure that that other leg that's raised is parallel to the one that's on the ground. All right, your thighs stay parallel the entire time. Then you are going to raise your hips up to the sky, to the tippity top. You're going to squeeze those glutes. You're going to feel once you start squeezing those glutes and getting those hips up, it's going to come across those hip flexors and the hips. Then you're going to bring it right back down. But even though your hips are going up does not mean the leg that's off the ground goes up as well. Make sure that leg stays parallel all the way through, going up and going down. Okay, and then halfway through, we're going to switch on to the other side. Same exact thing. Hips are going to go to the sky, and the thighs are going to stay parallel all the way through the exercise. All right, if it's easier, inhale going up. Once you get to the tippity top, exhale coming down. All right, once your glutes touch the ground, shoot right back on up to the sky. All right.
This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness.
That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now.
Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.